the AROEVE Smart Air Purifier. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the AROEVE Air Purifying Fan. This is model MK08W. Opening the box, you can see it's packaged well with all the plastic and styrofoam protecting the air purifier. Going over some brief specs, this has a 5-layer purifying system. You have the washable filter, pre-treatment, HEPA 13 filter, activated carbon filter, and the UV disinfection. You can see the air volume and wind speed specs along with the distance of the wind of up to 11 meters. It has the laser sensors on the back and a bright display that has different colors to indicate the air quality. You have an aroma box on the rear where you can add essential oils. And finally, this has app integration. You're able to control all the functions and see the current status of the air quality. So this is how it looks once all the packaging is removed. Inside you get the user manual, you get some essential oils and replacement screws, and also the pre-filter. And then if you look at the back of the air purifier here, you have access to the filter, and right now it's in the packaging, so we'll go ahead and remove it from the packaging. Removing the rear cover, you can access the filter. It's still in the packaging here. This is the HEPA filter. So basically, the pre-filter will wrap around this. So you want to take the primary filter or the pre-filter and then just wrap it around. There is a Velcro on the end here, so you can just secure it into place. Once you have that installed, you can insert it back and then attach the cover. Taking a look at the front of the air purifier, you have the circulating fan on the top, you have your control panel here, and then the grill on the front. On the back, you have the cartridge for the essential oils. So you can put the cartridges there. And then you have the laser sensor. And again, you have the grill cover for the filter in the back. Looking at the front of the display, you can see it's pretty big and bright. On the top here, you have the air quality. So this will change colors depending on the quality of the air. This first button on the left here, this is your air info button, so you can cycle through that. The button right below that is to control the fan. You can control the oscillation, so it can go up and down, left and right, or a combination of both. Right below that, you have the mode and Wi-Fi button, and then to the right, you have the filter button, so you can see the remaining life. And then right below that, you have the child lock. So once you activate that, you can lock it. You can also have an atmosphere indicator light by toggling that. And finally, the last button on the lower right, that's your speed button. So you can go from low, medium, and high. So all these functions, you can control it in the app. This has app integration, and you get a better sense of all the functions in the app. Once you download and connect to the app and pair the air purifier, you can see the dashboard here. On the lower left, you have the switch to turn it on and off. The button right next to that, you have the different modes. You have auto, eco, you have the fan, air purifier, and fan. So you can select which modes you want to use. Right now I just have it on the air purifier. And then the next button you have your low, high, turbo, and sleep modes. And then in the settings, you can toggle a whole slew of options here, from child lock, the light, purple light, reset the filter, countdown, shake angle, light mode, light brightness, screen brightness, just a whole bunch of general settings. And again, you have the visualization of how dirty or how clean the air is with the particulates. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cycle through the different modes. This is the auto mode. You can see that the air purifier is working along with the fan. And then I can put it on eco. This is the eco mode. Now the fan. So this is strictly the fan with no air purifier. And then this is the air purifier mode. And you can see the fan will go back to its original position, facing up, and then the air purifier will turn on. And now lastly, the air purifier plus fan mode. So the air purifier will be on, and then the fan will oscillate. So taking a look at the noise level, this is on low mode. So I'm going to stop talking, and you can see how noisy it is on low mode. So about 44 decibels. Moving it to high. So high is about 52. And now turbo. So 60 decibels on turbo. Now having the air purifier and the fan. This is on low. About 48. Going to high. About 55. And turbo. So hitting about 67 with the fan and air purifier on the turbo mode. So I've attached some streamers on the top of the fan so you can get an idea of the airflow. Right now the air purifier and the fan is on, and this is on the low setting. Okay, moving it to the high. And turbo. So overall, I think this is a unique air purifier with the oscillating fan on the top. It's versatile. You can use the air purifier or just the fan, and you get good coverage with the fan. You know, you can get up to 11 meters with the circulation. You also have the sensors that can tell you how dirty the air is. So, you know, that's good to have right on the front and also on the app. With the app integration, you can control a lot of the functions, and it's very intuitive. So if you're in the market for an air purifier and a fan combo, this is something to check out. So that's my review of the AROEVE MK08W Air Purifier.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.